G'day folks, today is just going to be a short and sweet video. Basically, I want to say thank you. Recently our channel hit 200,000 subscribers and honestly I'm just blown away. When I started this channel, I didn't even think I was going to hit 1,000 subscribers, let alone 10,000, all the way up now to 200,000. It's just very humbling and I'm very appreciative of all the support that everyone has given me over the years. The channel surprisingly grew pretty quickly. I think it took me about 3 years and I hit 100,000, which was late last fall. And then in the past year we grew by another 100,000, so that's just incredible. And my channel is nothing fancy. As you can see, I don't have a very fancy set. I just film at my desk. I got my trusty old plant here, and that's about it. And of course my hands, everybody kind of knows me by my hands now. As a token of my appreciation, I just want to do a quick little giveaway. And basically what we're going to be doing is giving away a Hero 8 Black or a Mavic Mini. Whoever gets picked will get to choose from which one they want. The products you'll be receiving will be brand new. I just have these here. These are mine. I just have them in here for visual aid so you'll know what you'll be winning. And unfortunately, this giveaway is only for US and Canada. And the reason being is because we'll be shipping batteries. And that can be a nightmare trying to get over different international borders. I've had problems in the past, so unfortunately when we ship batteries, we can only do it to US and Canada. Now, I don't want to leave out all my international subscribers. You know, I appreciate you just as much as well. So I will be doing another giveaway coming up, hopefully in a couple weeks. Basically, it'll be a prize pack. It'll be similar in value to what this giveaway is, but nothing will have a battery in it. Now, there are a few other requirements for entering this giveaway. In order to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to this channel as of today, as when I post this video. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want people just coming to my channel, subscribing just because they want to win a giveaway. Sometimes these giveaways get shared in Facebook groups and different forums, and really I don't want a flood of people subscribing just because they want to win a free drone. That's not really fair to my loyal subscribers who actually are interested in my content and watch my content. If you're coming here because you've read about this giveaway in a forum somewhere, and you're just coming here to try and win a free drone, don't bother subscribing because I will be checking to see whether you are a subscriber before or after this video was released. So that's the first rule, that you had to be a subscriber before I uploaded this video. The next rule is pretty simple. Basically, to enter, all you have to do is put your country, the state or province in which you live in, and then whether you want the Hero 8 Black or the DJI Mavic Mini. And it's also very important you only enter once, you only make one comment. The software we'll be using to randomly pick will look for duplicate entries and it will delete it all. So if you want to congratulate me on the 200,000K, make sure you do that with your entry. If you do it in two separate posts, both posts will end up getting discounted, so we don't want that. So if you want to send a personal message along with your entry, just do it all in one comment. Thirdly, because we will be announcing this on our social media, you have to be comfortable with the fact that your handle, whatever you have displayed as your YouTube handle, will be displayed publicly on our YouTube and on possibly some of our other social media. So if you're not comfortable with that, please don't enter. And lastly, and I hate that I even have to mention this, but unfortunately when you do these kind of giveaways, sometimes people try to fraud and they'll email me trying to claim saying they're the person that won. Basically how it's going to work is once we've done the random draw, the person has 7 days to contact me, either by email or private message. I will then be providing that person with a code that they then have to come back to this video and post as a comment, and that way I can line it up and make sure it's going to the right person. Once we've verified you are who you are, then I will ask for your mailing address and we will get it shipped off. This giveaway will run for 2 weeks before we do the draw, so we'll be doing the draw, I believe, October 11th. Now, I may not post the winner that day, just depends how busy I am, but the winner will be posted, like I said, on my other social media, Facebook, Instagram. I might even make a TikTok video. I'll also pin the winner in the comments of this video, so you can also check back there. And that's basically it. Once the random winner is picked, we will ship off your product. Well, folks, that's basically it for this video. My apologies that this could not be an international giveaway. But like I said, if you are an international subscriber, stay tuned as we will be having a giveaway for you very shortly. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for all the support over the years. We'll see you in the next one.